Here's how to factory reset your iPhone to sell it. Now let's head into the settings of your iPhone. Before we factory reset and wipe all the data, I would highly recommend backing everything up. To be able to do that, let's tap on your name at the top and then iCloud. Now, of course, iCloud is where you can back up all of the data on your iPhone so you don't lose anything in case you do decide to sell it and down the road you buy a new iPhone. Now from here, let's tap on iCloud Backup and you can see Backup Now. All you need to do is tap on that and wait until it goes through the process of backing up your iPhone. Now, after we've done that, there are two different options to be able to erase this completely back to factory default or factory settings. To do that, we're gonna go to back again. And now within the Apple account, you can choose to sign out and it will give you the option to erase the phone. Or a better option is to go to the very beginning of your settings. And at the very beginning of settings, we're going to tap on General. And then at the bottom, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now within here, there gives you several different options to be able to reset the settings. But we want to choose to erase all the content and the settings. Essentially, this will wipe it out as if you just bought it from Apple. So let's tap on Erase All Content and Settings. And it says by doing so, it will erase all your apps and data. Your Apple account will be signed out. Your Find My will be turned off. Your wallet items will be disabled or removed. And your eSIM will be erased as well. Just tap on Continue and hit the Delete eSIM and Erase Data. And after it goes through the process of rebooting, you're good to go to sell or give away your iPhone.